to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making ramen eggs. These eggs are super easy to make. They are savory and creamy and they add that extra special touch to your homemade ramen. Super easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.
To start, we are going to gather our ingredients. We are using 6 eggs, a half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of Ramen, a half a cup of water, and some green onion. Some recipes for ramen eggs call for ginger or garlic or other savory ingredients, but we are keeping it simple. We want a slightly runny texture to our soft-boiled eggs, so rather than boil them, we are going to cook them in an air fryer for 9 minutes at 375 degrees. This will result in an egg that has a slightly runny interior, and that's what we want for this dish. But of course, if you want to have a more hard-boiled egg consistency, cook the eggs a little bit longer in the air fryer. When they're finished cooking, we're going to place them in some ice water, then we're going to peel them. To make our marinade, we are going to combine our soy sauce, Ramen, and water in a plastic zipper bag. We are then going to add our chopped green onion and we're going to shake the bag and make sure all the ingredients are nice and stirred up. And this recipe couldn't be more simple. We're then going to take our peeled eggs and we're going to plop them right into our sauce. We are going to let this sit for anywhere from 5 hours to 24 hours. And then all that's left to be done is to add the eggs to our ramen. And there are so many yummy recipes for ramen. We are just using a simple homemade ramen broth, and we're using some noodles, bok choy, chicken, and green onion. We're going to place our eggs right on top. And then it's time to eat. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the article, recipe, and other videos, visit PenelCentral.com.